back to Aisha's Crafty Kids Club. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy and cute mobile stand. So most of you guys have the habit of watching a TV show or any other shots on your mobile while eating or doing so. But it will be a very common inconvenience for all of us when our mobile keeps on falling down. So this is a very easy and cute solution. So this mobile stand could be made in about 2 minutes, and you can customize it in any way you like. So if you buy a mobile holder from a shop, then you'll have a fixed design and fixed model to it, but you can easily make this at home with just one A4 sheet or color paper. Then you can customize it in any way you like. So for instance, I have made this in a BTS theme. So you might think since it's made out of paper, it might be very weak, but actually it is very strong. So for example, I will even put my mobile and show it to you guys. So as you see, it holds it in a very strong way. So it has a design at the back which is very cute and also holds it strong as well. So let us see how to make this. Shall we get started? So before that, I'll show this video for 1 minute using the stand itself, and I'll remove my phone from my tripod so that you can see how good it works. So as you see, I'm going to be placing this mobile in this stand that we have made over here. So as you see, the quality is also very good and the position is also very nice, so it'll be very easy for us to capture it as well. So yeah, now you can choose a color paper to make this craft from. So after hours and hours of thinking, I've chosen pink color. So as I made this mobile stand, I'm currently keeping my phone in is from BTS, and this one I'm going to be making it in a BLACKPINK theme. So shall we get started? So first step is we'll be folding this paper in half. So make sure that the foldings you do are perfectly correct so that you can expect a better output. If you make any small mistake, then the output might not be as good as we expect it to be. So I'm just folding this in half. So after we fold this in half, I'm going to be folding this again into half. So we're going to be folding each side that we made into half again. So this side into half and the other half into half as well. So once we are done with that, we are going to be folding it into half one more time. So from both the sides, we are going to be keeping the corners and folding them into the middle as usual. So yeah, so for this, as I told you, we're going to be taking one color paper fully. So I've chosen pink, so you guys can take any other paper you want. So this can also be used for larger devices as well. For example, if you're going to be placing your tablet or other things, you can connect two A4 sheets or even take a thick A4 sheet like that cardboard paper to get a better result, to make it more stronger as well. So now we folded it 2 times. So now we're going to be folding this side in half. So I'm going to be taking this and folding this in half again, like this over here. So now it's folded back into half. So as you see, I've been filming in this stand for over a minute now. So it's been totally 1.5 minutes and still it holds strong and the clarity is also good. So now I'll be switching back to my tripod. So give me a sec so that we're going to be doing the foldings on top and the decorations can be clearly and fully visible. So we are back at the tripod and we have our cute stand over here. So let's keep that aside and we'll start with this. So yeah, we folded this until half. So once we are done with it, we'll be moving on to the next part. That is, we'll be folding a small portion of this from the bottom over here. So this can be depending on your wish. So if you're going to place a tablet, this can be folded in a big size. Since I'm just going to be placing my mobile over here, I'm just folding it in a small way like this. So once we are done folding this, we'll be folding this part over here into half again. So we'll be marking this line, folding it one time like this and back over here. So once we are done with this, we'll be taking this part and folding it back. So this is a very important step where most people get confused. So make sure you pay attention over here. So here, then we'll be folding this in half. Then we'll be taking this part and folding it back over here. So once we are done with this, we'll be taking this part and we're supposed to fold it a little bit across this margin. So we'll be folding it a little bit across here, like this, and we'll be turning this over to this side and folding this remaining part we have got into half again. So we're almost there, we just have a few more steps to go. So once we are done with this, we can take this part and we're supposed to squeeze this inside over here. So push it in smoothly and it will go over here. So once we're done, I'm going to be giving it a little more force over here, and we're going to make the corners more straight. And over here, we've got the bottom part to place on mobile. So I'm just going to be pushing it over here and folding it back so that it strengthens again. And we're going to make the foldings tight. And once we're done, we have a cute mobile stand over here. So as you see, it's very cute. We have one in blue and we have one in pink. So since this is for, I'm planning to make this in a BLACKPINK theme. So that's why I've taken pink over here. And I'll keep this phone over here and show it to you guys as well. So as you see, it holds very strongly. So this can be a really easy tool. So whenever you're watching your phone while eating, you can easily place it over here. It's also very convenient, and it can also be made within a few minutes as well. So now we'll be starting with the decoration. So I'm gonna be doing the decoration on the back side, because we do it in the front side won't be visible. So I'm just gonna be doing it for now, so that I can give more force onto it. So if you guys want, you can draw it over here as well, or else you can draw it in the paper and stick it on the top. So for now, I'm gonna be taking this out, and we'll be moving on. So I'm going to be taking this part that we have squeezed in back out, and we're going to be doing the drawing over here so that it will be visible. So as I said, since I'm making this in a BLACKPINK thing, I'm going to be getting out a black marker over here, and we'll be writing BLACKPINK over here. So I'm not going to be doing much decorations. I'm just going to be writing BLACKPINK. I'm going to be leaving it as it is, as I don't want to do more decorations, and I don't want to make it look more clumsy. So let us start. So you can do any decoration you like as per your wish. I'm just trying to keep this simple and organized. So we have written black and pink. So yeah, once we're done, this cute BLACKPINK wording is done. So after this, I'm just going to be giving a little more pinkish outline to it, to give it a more BLACKPINK vibe over here. If you guys want, you can even take a printout of the singers, and you can stick it on the top as well. But I don't want to do it in a more complicated way. I'm just showing it to you guys and demonstrating it in the most simplest way it could be done. So once we have given the margin, I'm going to putting a small heart over here, like this. And we're going to be coloring that in. So that's it. I'm keeping it simple, and once the other parts is done, I'm going to be folding this part and putting it back inside over here. Yeah. So once we're done with that, we make sure the foldings are strong again, and we can place our mobile once again and check, and it's folding strong, and the design will be available in the back side as well. So after we complete this, our really easy and cute mobile stand is ready. So as you see, you can customize it in any way you like. You can stick stickers, or you can do it in any other theme such as Doraemon, Shin-chan, or any other thing you like. I made this one in BTS and this one is BLACKPINK, and according to your style, you can customize it and make it in any way you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do any crafts that you prefer, do comment in the comment box below, and give the rating for this mobile stand out of 10. And I'll see you guys next time on Ice's Crafty Kids Club. Thank you for watching. Bye.